Earn a passive income even in your 40s. I'm 45 and it has taken me entirely too long to figure out how to make a passive income or to even attempt it. So, since I found a way, I've created a series here on YouTube that will show you how to do exactly that. This is a method that I use. It's a slow methodical method, but it's an easy method nonetheless. Stick around and see how that works. And if it's something you find interesting, then please, by all means, go back to day one of my videos and start there. Get yourself set up, get started, and start earning a passive income. And FYI, you don't have to be in your 40s. So, just to disclose that, it doesn't matter how old you are. There's no age restrictions on this. All right. All right. So this is my YouTube channel. And if you want to, you could start here on this intermission. This is just a quick rundown, a condensed version. Otherwise, I suggest going to day one. Go to the playlist here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. This is the whole playlist. Go right here to day one, revised. I added some things and just kind of spruced it up a little bit. And what's nice about that video is that it'll tell you how to scale up the platform that I use to generate that passive income, which is MLGS. And if you've already been following along, then you are more than aware. So let me get that switched up. Take you over to there. And hold on. That's not it. All right. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Okay. Now we're rocking here. This is my lead gen secret. This is the emailing platform that we use. Simply enter the mailing system once you've signed up and you get your account all set up. This is where your leads appear. This is where you put the subject line to your emails. This is where you put your emails. Again, go to the playlist and either watch the intermission video for the condensed version or go to day one. It'll get you up to speed on how to get this thing going. Other than that, if you're new, just you follow along and make a conscious decision on whether this is something that you find interesting or not, or it's something that you can do. And just let me tell you that it only takes about 10 minutes a day, and it is a paid platform. It's like $30 a month, so it's $1 a day for 100 leads, and you get those leads every day. It doesn't take away your leads and give you a new set. They stack. Okay, so they add up over time. And if I hit select, as you see, I am working with 22,000 leads at the moment, and I am about 5 months in of using this. And yes, it does bring in some money. Not a lot, because it does take time. You have to get in this knowing that you are in it for the long game. This is not make a ton of money real quick. That's not how that works. Let me get myself signed into ClickBank, because this is where we run our affiliate offers out of a free platform known as ClickBank. If you're not familiar with that, um, very easy to set up your account. So these are the sales, just so you're aware that they do come in. They trickle. They just kind of trickle in. You don't know what's going to happen, but when it does, it breathes in new life into what you're doing and just reassures you that good things are coming. So I got a sale yesterday. Nothing came in today, but that's fine. I usually just sneak a peek at this and I just keep pressing on. And we will go to our. All right, so I already grabbed my email. And if you go to, let me go back to ClickBank, because this is where we want to go, back to the affiliate marketplace, e-business, e-marketing. Oh, yeah. Gravity, high-low. And this is where we're at, the right app reviews. So go there. You can click on the affiliate page, get your emails. I've already got my tab up. Email 3 is where we're at for today. We got video 45. Copy that, get that, paste it into your Google Docs, and then we can make some adjustments here. And I'm going to start with one of the most important things is before you place your offer, you need to change. So here's our hop link. We want to change out your ClickBank ID with your actual ClickBank ID. So now that we have that, go ahead and change out, put the signature with our name. There's that. And we want to change out the greeting. We'll go up to the previous email. I'm going to grab the first name tag. Copy that. Plug it in. Okay. And then let's copy the hop link here, where you can grab it from the affiliates page in ClickBank. If you want, you can do it that way. Copy that, and then I think we're going to paste it. If you're using the exact same email I am, I'm going to place it right in here where it says visit our website here. I want to make it bold. And then right click on it, insert the link, right click, paste, apply. All right, next up is our postscript. This is the added bonus offer that we place into our emails, and we're using the paid socials for that one. Still, yeah. All right. Let your mobile device create an income. Learn more here. All right. Now I'm going to head back over to the marketplace real quick. And then I'm going to scroll up just a tick. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. That's the promotion I'm going after. And this is the one that works well, at least for me. There are others out there that have a lot of luck with the live chat jobs, I think it is. I think they have a lot of luck with that one. But everybody's leads are different, and some of them, I don't know if they're just how that's worked out, if they're just geared towards that. I mean, here's the thing, only a certain percentage is actually clicking on that. So that's why we want to mix up our offer, so that way we're hitting the other percentage of those leads with things that they are interested in. All right, now once you have that, let's go back to the Google Docs. Make that bold. Insert the link. Apply. Okay, this email is ready to go. So I'm going to highlight the subject, or copy, highlight and copy. Go to the mailing system. I've already got my lead selected. I want to make sure that's taken care of. Paste in the subject. All right, finish scrubbing the rest of the email. A little back button. Control V that sucker in there. I'm going to change the size to 14. Hit perfect timing. Hit preview so we can check and make sure our links are working properly. All right, that one's good. And looks like this one's good. Sweet. Close that out and send. And since I'm here, because I haven't done this in a while, I do have a second account, so you can have multiple accounts. If you go to day one, it tells you exactly how to set that up, how those commissions work. So if I just right click on my tab and duplicate tab, it'll pop up another tab, and then what I'm going to do is log out. Then we'll log back in with my second account. Everything, oh, hold on. And then we'll select my lead. So I have 4,200. So this one is a lot newer. I only have 4,200 on this one. And then if I go back, I can highlight, I don't know why I keep saying that. I can copy the subject out of here. I mean, you can go to your Google Docs and do it, but you can also copy it out of here. Whatever's easier for you. It doesn't really matter. Do that and head back over. That in there. Not I don't know if the size is the same. I can't really tell. Is that 14? Just in case. I don't know. I don't think it was. And there, we already know the hyperlinks work, so I'm just going to send this sucker away. And there it is. And if you've got, multiple accounts, you can just do that. You can just do it again. You can either just go ahead and log back out of this one, just log out and then log in with your third account and then copy and paste all that in and boom, boom, boom. Really doesn't take that long to do that. See, I've got 13 minutes on my timer over here. So yeah, like I said, this is like 10 minutes. That's it. And you post it and ghost it and then go about your evening or your day. Do this in the morning before you head out to work while you're drinking your coffee. And yeah, that's it. That that is all there is to it. If you have any questions or concerns or anything, let me know in the comments, or you can text me. I do have my number at the bottom of the screen. That is always there. I don't always mention it, but it is there. If you do have questions, you can reach out to me that way. Do text. If you do try to call, chances are I'm not going to know the number, and I get spam calls all the time, especially now with elections coming up and stuff. Like, I don't know, I get tons of email and text and calls. It's crazy. But just text me and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And but yeah, let me know in the comments. Also, I'm going to bring this up because I've had a few comments, not just one. I've had like at least 3 different comments. I know I had one very early on when I started this about my volume being low or the audio is low. I don't know. I know there are a couple videos in the beginning. I've thought about trying to redo those. I can't redo the audio because my audio setup that I had through OBS wasn't where it should have been. So I do know that those couple video day 2 and 3, maybe I'm trying to think exactly when I made the fix, but it did get better. Video 1 was bad, real bad. It had a lot of glitchiness and stuff to it too. So it was awful. That's why that says revised. And so I redid it for that. And I also plugged in uh, some other information uh, from a fellow member of EIA, Endless Income Academy, that I'm in, and he's got a series as well. And he did a real good job of teaching and explaining how the commissions work in My Lead Gen Secret, and how you can scale it up by having 5 accounts. So I kind of plug that in there. Very useful information, and I think you guys would like that. I forget where I was going with this, but yeah, the audio. So the audio, let me know in the comments what your audio is. I bring it up on my phone, and I mean, as long as my volume is up, I can hear it perfectly fine. And it doesn't. I mean, I don't have to have it all the way up to hear it either. I've tried other devices, and the audio sounds fine to me. So I really don't know. It's hard for me to fix the issue if I can't find the issue. Does that make sense? So let me know in the comments if this video sounds fine to you. If I mean, check the audio on your end. Since I'm only getting just a couple feedback um, on that from just a couple of people. Maybe it could be on their end. I really don't know. I know it has absolutely nothing to do with the fact that my mic is up here on my hat, because that shouldn't matter. The microphone, it picks it up, and I can even see it here on my OBS. I'm hitting the right decibels that I should be on there. So it's like, that's why I don't know. I don't know. So I apologize if for whatever reason the audio seems low. If I could fix it, trust me, I would. That way everything comes out nice and clear, and you can hear and you can understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. Yeah, if you got any value out of this, by all means, man, hit that like button. You want to continue following along, hit subscribe. I do have another series on here, uh, an, an EIA series. It's about Endless Income Academy and how you can get started there. I always suggest starting with video number 9, and then you can start with video number 1. Those aren't exactly in a true order. Those are just the order, and you'll know what I mean if you go and watch it, the order that I received them in. Um, and then I just replayed it and put those out. So check that out. It's an amazing platform, and it's only getting better. So there will be more videos on that as well. And yeah, and we're trying to put out some other things too. So hopefully that'll be helpful. My purpose is to help others in a way that I wish I could, in a way that I would like to get help, because I want to work on the online space. I want to be a full time affiliate marketer. And this is the best avenue that I've found to, get my feet wet and get going in that direction. And I've hooked up with some incredible people that are already in the affiliate marketing space. They are seven-figure earners. They've already been through the aches and pains to get to where they're at, and now they're trying to pay it forward to make it easier on everybody else. And those are the fellas from Endless Income Academy, and they're fantastic. They've been fantastic, and I'm glad I hooked up with those guys. And so my plan is to do the same, is to find a path, create a path, be a guide for other people to make it easier on them to also get into the affiliate marketing space and make a passive income, and hopefully one day put your 9 to 5 behind you and do this full time. With that, guys, I thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.